my foodies, it's CiCi, and today I bring you crispy ginger beef. Crispy ginger beef is a very popular westernized Chinese dish in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. That's where it started. And today, I promise you, my version is going to be better than any of those takeout places. Alright, so first we're going to place 1 cup of cornstarch in a large bowl, and we're going to toss 1 pound of flank steak in cornstarch. Mix everything until it is coated evenly. Then we're going to pour oil into a wok about 1 inch deep, and then we're going to heat it up over high heat. We can test the oil with 1 steak strip first. So if you see lots of bubbles around it, then the oil is definitely ready. So we're going to place a quarter portion of the beef strips into the hot oil first, and then we're going to separate the strips with chopsticks. But of course, you can also use a fork. Deep fry the coating until it is crispy and golden for about 3 minutes. Now we can remove the beef and drain it on a paper towel. Then we can repeat with the remaining beef. A lot of people ask me what to do with the remaining oil. So if your oil is still in a good quality and doesn't look cloudy or dark, you could totally reuse your oil. So first you want to bring the oil to room temperature. Then you could drain the oil with a filter and then keep it refrigerated in an airtight container. You can reuse it for similar food items next time. To make the sauce, whisk together 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 6 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 6 tablespoons of rice wine, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes. In another pan, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of julienne carrots, 2 stalks of scallions, the white and the middle parts, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, and 3 cloves of garlic. And cook this over high heat until the aroma comes out. Pour in the sauce and cook until it is boiling. Introduce 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water to thickening the sauce. Put the beef back into the pan and mix everything thoroughly. Lastly, add the green part of the scallions. Oh my god, this looks so good. I just have to steal a bite. Our crispy ginger beef was so crunchy and crispy, and the taste is sweet and sour, and also it has this kick of spiciness at the end. It is so good. Today's recipe actually requested by someone who lives in Calgary. He also shared a brief history with us. In 1975, a Chinese chef named George Wong at the Silver Inn in Calgary made a crispy beef dish and later called ginger beef. Still today, it is a must-have dish when ordering westernized Chinese dishes. Every Chinese restaurant in Canada has it on their menu. Thank you so much for the history, and if you have any other recipe that is so interesting like this, comment below and let me know. I'll try to make it for you next time. And remember to subscribe, thumbs up. Bye!